Some bikes are fast, some are beautiful. This one, it's a street brawler from '81. Loud, fast, and somehow still in one piece. The Kawasaki KZ1000. First off, big shout out to K&R Motorsports, who is lending us this beauty. Clearly, they trust me more than they should. The KZ1000 came with a 998cc engine. It rated with around 90 to 102 horsepower, depending on which model you had. And it could top 210 kilometers per hour. That's pretty good for a bike from this era. But let's take it back a little. You have to remember, this is a bike that shattered expectations back in its time for Japanese bikes. Like we said, Kawasaki didn't just build the 1000 out of thin air. They improved on it from many different models. The first one being in 1973, the Z1 model. And Kawasaki didn't just improve these models, they made it a platform. The 1000P model was especially made for the police forces, proving just how versatile the bike really was. And after that, they also made the R model, standing for racing. Let's take it for a spin, shall we? I'm not that tall, sitting at 5'9", and I find this bike to be fairly small, compact, let's call it. And I don't mind it, but I'd rather be able to sit upright a little bit more. The handlebars on here are not original, and it makes me wonder if just the handlebars make it feel that much like a cafe racer. Maybe I would be standing up much more upright with the original ones. Either way, this is a lot of fun around town. It has a lot of pickup, it's responsive, and handles really well. This bike shares DNA with the 1000P and R, one for duty and one for revolution. And this sits perfectly in the middle, waiting for you to decide where you're gonna go. It wasn't meant to pose, even though it does that pretty well. It was meant to work. Still heavy, still fast, but that edge, still there. And now, it's retired, and still something you don't want to mess with. Do you mind? Geese.